Oh, good morning, it's Pete Miller here. I'm on the Elephant Walk Trail, not halfway yet, and yeah, I'm puffing. I've got to go up that way. This is the Elephant Walk Trail at Taipei, Taiwan. Okay, so I made it to this point, which is the point where all the people gather for New Year's Eve to see the fireworks off this building here, this one. This is called Taipei 101, and it's a spectacular building, really beautiful, good view. It's based on the stem of a bamboo. Isn't it gorgeous? And I've been up the top and had a look. Yeah, worth it. Hear the birds in the background here. Oh, cool.